Pull your gun
There's
out,
no gun.
you fucking dickhead. What are you
Put your
doing?
hands on the wheel.
Me?
Put your hands on the wheel. Put your hands on the dash.
What are you doing with your gun out, man?
All right,
There's
I'm
no
not pointing
threat.
at
There's
you.
no
Don't
threat.
worry about it. I'll tell you in a second.
Holster your weapon,
All
man.
right? You don't tell me what.
Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we witness a tense encounter in Tucson, where two men stop their car to cool it down, only to have a police officer pull a gun on them after a vague report about two white males in a red car taking pictures near a prison. Watch how they stay calm, stand their ground, and make the officer lower his weapon after realizing no crime had been committed. But before we begin, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment sharing your thoughts on how this officer handled the situation.
I was looking for a hose over there.
He's
What was
pulling up
that?
behind me. So we'll hang out here while the hot
Here comes
transmission.
TPD. Here comes TPD.
Really?
Yeah. I was looking for a hose over there.
He's
What was
pulling up
that?
behind me. The ruckus, sir.
Oh, there it goes.
Transmission's better?
As soon as he comes out.
It's all better now?
What?
Shut it!
Come on up here. Hey, the car is hot, man. Just trying to get some water out of it. Whoa, whoa, what the
Hey.
man? What are you doing, man? Pull your gun
There's
out,
no
you
gun.
fucking dickhead. What are you
Put your hands
doing?
on the wheel.
Me?
Put your hands on the wheel. Put your hands on the dash. All
What are you doing with your gun out, man?
right,
There's
I'm
no
not pointing
threat.
at you.
There's no
Don't
threat.
worry about it. I'll tell you in a second.
Holster your weapon,
All
man.
right? You don't tell me what to do. All right?
Holster-
Keep your hands on the dash. Keep your hands on the thing.
All right.
I'm on the 911 call, all right?
Okay.
I'll explain all that to you in a second, all right?
Because we're trying to get water, right?
Okay,
Is that
I don't know what you're trying to do right now. But you're over here with the door open. All right?
Yeah,
I'm
we-
gonna
Take a
door.
piss and look at
I'm
that
Is it
gonna-
hood.
illegal to have the door open?
Cool, man. So calm
Is
down.
it-
Let's start
You
over.
you put your gun away.
I'm
Let's go.
not
Calm
until
down.
your gun's away.
Don't worry about my gun
Put
being
your gun
out.
away.
Our hands are up.
You don't tell me what to do. All right?
Put your gun away.
Turn the ignition off.
It's hot. We have to leave it
not
going. The
moving my
transmission is hot.
Okay,
I'm not moving my
fair
hands.
enough. What are you doing out here?
Whatever I want. Am I breaking the law? I'm not breaking any laws. I need some water, but panties hot.
Okay. You guys involved in that collision out here?
No.
No.
It came out as a
Does
red
it- does
car,
it look
two
like-
white males.
No.
Does it look like a
Federal
collision?
prison.
Take a look at the collision.
I haven't walked around there, bro.
Okay,
You guys
well-
weren't listening
well,
to
then
me.
do
I
the
was
Alright.
investigation
listening to the
before
We'll
car.
keep our hands up here. You check the
I'm over
car.
here trying to figure out what the hell's going on. all
Okay.
right?
All
I
right.
can take a
I-
piss. That's
I
one
need you-
thing.
I'm out 5 feet away. I'm telling you exactly what to do, and you're not doing it. That's why this came out.
I don't listen to
All right.
tyrants, man. You got your gun pulled. Look at you.
This don't make me a time, bro.
Yes, it does.
Yeah, it does.
Yes,
We didn't pull a
Yes, it
gun
does.
on you.
Okay. Listen, let's start over, man. What's your business out here right now?
Anything I want to do, a free American citizen, exercise any right
So
I
you weren't
can.
involved in an auto accident right now?
Why don't you take a look around, do your own investigation?
Okay.
How about this? Pursuant to the 5th, I don't need to talk to you anymore. How about that?
Fair enough, man.
All right, there
It
you
is what
go.
it is. You do need to give me your license.
You swore an oath to the Constitution,
Your
right?
driver's license.
For what?
And
This is not a traffic stop. For what?
Huh?
For what?
Because I'm on what's called an investigating stop.
Then you
right?
tell me your reasonable, articulable suspicion, and I'll give you whatever you want.
Okay.
Tell me what it is.
So you guys are red car, two white males surveying the prison. All right, I'm out here on 911 call. I'm doing an investigative stop right now. Okay. So haven't had the chance to talk to you.
Was there a crime? Is cameras a
There's
crime?
possibly a crime. All right. So I need your ID.
You got to figure out if there's a crime first.
Do you have
Olson.
articulable suspicion?
458.
Can you articulate your suspicion that we've committed? There's no crime, man.
Hands are
Come
up
on.
here. We ain't
Let's
moving.
stand right here until my other unit gets here. Then I can go back to the
You
investigation.
can do whatever
Okay,
you want,
all right.
man. You're above the law.
Where's my second unit?
We'll keep our hands up here. We don't want to get shot or nothing.
That's not cool, man.
Yeah,
What?
that's
Your
not
gun.
cool.
That's
Coming
not
up with a
cool.
gun.
Is it not
R.
gonna-
Olson, what's your badge
You thought
number?
there was an.
00256.
So you're saying you thought there was an auto accident, and so you came up with a
Hey,
gun?
where's my second unit?
Auto accident. So, he
So
pulls
you
his
thought
weapon
there was
out.
an auto accident, so you came up with a gun?
Get your hand off my car, man. Get all the way off.
I'm sorry. What was that? 10-9?
Second unit has got to be 40 minutes.
Okay.
Prison called the cops because I'm looking for a hose ticket to get some water.
I'm code for it. I ain't too tanky.
That's what it is. That security guard over there.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Can you smell the? Can you smell the
You smell the
trans?
fucking car heating up, dude?
Yeah.
Yeah. I mean, come on.
Go for it. I'm out with a red vehicle. Got 2 white males. Take pictures of the prison out here. Right now, that's all I got so far.
Doing lawful activity.
Oh, so that's all you got is that you're saying now it's not an auto accident, but somebody took pictures of a prison?
I already told you what it is, man. I'm not going to repeat myself.
Okay, no, you told him what
In all
it is.
fairness, I'll repeat myself. Okay?
So is it illegal to take pictures?
Here's what it is. All right, I had a crime. I have a report of a crime committed. Because of your non-compliance, I have not had an opportunity to investigate it, okay? I'm going to stand here with you. Once the other unit gets here, I'm having them stay with you guys. I'll continue on my investigation, all right? Can not expect to run into a red car with 2 white males surveying the prison as I'm on the way to the exact call that I'm out here for, okay?
Okay, can you tell me
I can't be any more clear than that.
All right.
So we'll just hang out.
So is the
We can
crime...
start over. I respect you guys' rights.
Oh, thank you. Let's keep it that way. Let's
I
keep it
never
right.
pointed my gun at you, but I got my gun out, and I'm by law more entitled to do that. All right?
Can I clarify one thing then? Is
Sure,
the suspicion of crime is it an auto accident or public photography? Which one?
It would be hit and run, actually.
Okay, so an auto accident.
Well, not just an accident. It would be hit and run.
Okay, cool. So it has nothing to do with public photography then?
No.
Okay. Because you said surveying a prison.
You keep that thing out, man. I got a camera.
I'm just trying to clarify because it sounds like 2 separate things: surveying a prison and an auto accident. I'm trying to put together what you're trying to, you know.
There was that lead up, and then there was an auto accident, and then there was a hit and run. Okay, so the crime itself is hit and run. Okay, but not just surveying the prison. Okay?
Now that we've de-escalated, can I put my hands down? Can I put my hands down now that we've de-escalated?
Sure.
All right, thank you.
Thank
you.
Any guns?
I'm gonna keep my hands up here.
I don't answer any questions. You can look through all you want from what you can see. I don't answer any questions.
You have to tell the others what got in the car.
Yeah, no, he doesn't.
Pursuant to the Fifth Amendment, I have the right to remain silent under anything. I mean,
no, that's
Miranda versus Arizona. Come on, man. Come on.
You don't know the law, bro.
Come on.
Nobody's gonna
tell me that there's a gun in the car.
No, nobody has to tell you,
sir.
I'll keep my hands up.
And that's how 2 calm, informed citizens turned a dangerous situation into a powerful reminder of what knowing your rights can do. Despite being confronted at gunpoint over nothing more than a false report, they stood firm, stayed respectful, and proved once again that public photography and silence are not crimes. If you believe these officers need better training and accountability, make sure to hit that like button, share this video to spread awareness, and subscribe for more real-life encounters that expose the truth and defend our constitutional rights. Stay safe, stay vigilant, and always record the police.